Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce phishing attacks with Google, complete guide step by step clearly. To reduce phishing attacks using Google, start by ensuring you have a strong password for your Google account. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Change your password regularly and avoid using the same password across multiple sites. Next, enable two-factor authentication on your Google account. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a verification code in addition to your password. Consider using Google's Security Checkup tool to review your account security settings. This tool will identify any vulnerabilities, such as unsecured third-party apps. Make sure to review and revoke access for any apps you no longer use. Another important step is to keep your devices and software updated. Software updates often include security patches that protect against new threats. Be cautious about the emails you receive. Phishing emails often appear legitimate but may contain suspicious links or requests for personal information. Look for signs of phishing, such as poor grammar or unexpected attachments. Always verify the sender's email address before clicking on any links. If in doubt, visit the website directly rather than clicking a link in an email. Educate yourself on identifying phishing attempts. Know the common tactics used by attackers, such as urgency or fear tactics. Encourage those around you, like friends or coworkers, to practice safe online habits. Use Google's advanced phishing protection features. These features automatically warn you about potential threats in Gmail. Regularly back up important data to ensure you don't lose it to phishing scams. And finally, report any phishing attempts you encounter to Google. This helps improve their detection systems and protect other users. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to phishing attacks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.